So you see, listen here, sixth problem. That means if xz of x comma y equal to x into tan inverse xy, x equal to t square, y equal to s into e power t. So st belongs to R. That means find dou z by dou s into dou z by dou t, and calculate the dou z by dou s and dou z by dou t at the point s equal to t equal to 1. So this is the sixth problem. So here s into e power t, this is a e power t. So here the function is z of x comma y equal to, that means x tan inverse xy. So here I write the given functions z equal to x tan inverse xy. So we will calculate the dou z by dou s and that means dou z by dou t. Two functions we will calculate here. So first dou z by dou s. Dou z by dou s, that means dou z by dou x into dou x by dou s plus dou z by dou y into dou y by dou s. So next dou z by dou t. Dou z by dou t means we calculate the dou z by dou t into dou z by dou x into dx by dt plus dou z by dou y into dy by dt. Two functions we will calculate here. So first I write the given function z equal to x tan inverse xy. So next dou z by dou x. Dou z by dou x means we differentiate with respect to x. So dou z by dou x into definition of tan inverse is 1 by 1 plus x square y square into definition of xy. Differentiation of xy means here we differentiate the x, so into y. So plus tan inverse of xy into definition of x is 1. So the next step we write it. That means this is x into 1 by 1 plus x square y square. That means xy by 1 plus x square y square plus tan inverse xy. So next x equal to t square. So dou x by dou s equal to differentiate with respect to x. So here no s term, so it is a 0. Next dou x by dou t. Dou x by dou t means the definition of t square is 2t. So next dou z by differentiate with respect to y. So dou z by dou y, we differentiate the z in terms of y on the both sides. So dou z by dou y equal to x into differentiation of tan is 1 by 1 plus xy whole square into differentiation of xy is we differentiate only y, so into x. So therefore 1 by x into, that means 1 by 1 plus x square y square into x. Next x is a constant. So therefore now x into x square by 1 plus x square y square. Next y equal to s into e power t. So dou y by dou s, we differentiate x only. So definition of s is dou, that means dou y by dou s into definition of s is 1 e power t dou y by dou t. So s is a constant. Differentiation of e power t is e power t. Therefore dou y by dou t equal to s into e power t. This is the answer for dou y by dou t. So next now we calculate the dou z by dou s. Dou z by dou s means dou z by dou x into dou x by dou s plus dou z by dou y into dou y by dou s. So dou z by dou x. Dou z by dou x means here already we calculate, that means xy by 1 plus x square y square plus tan inverse xy. So I substitute here. Dou z by dou x means I substitute xy by 1 plus x square y square plus tan inverse xy into next dou x by dou x. Dou x by dou s means 0 plus next dou z by dou y. Dou z by dou y means here dou z by dou y means x square by 1 plus x square y square into next step dou y by dou s. Dou y by dou s means e power t. So the next step 0 into anything 0. Next x square e power t by 1 plus s square y square. So the next step dou z by dou s equal to, now I substitute the x values. X equal to t square. So x square means t square whole power 4 whole square t power 4. T power 4 e power t by 1 plus x square value is t power 4. Y value is y equal to s e power t. So y square means s e power t whole square means s square plus e power 2t. So this is the equations. Dou z by dou s equal to t power 4 e power t by 1 plus t power 4 e power 2t s square. This is the dou z by dou s. So next we calculate the dou, that means we calculate the dou z by dou t. So now I substitute s equal to t equal to 1. So dou z by dou s equal to, that means I substitute s equal to t equal to 1 means here, so 1 into e power 1 by 1 plus 1 e square into 1. So we got the equation e by 1 plus e square. This is the dou z by dou s. Next dou z by dou t. dou z by dou t means dou z by dou x into dou x by dou t plus dou z by dou y into dou y by dou t. So dou z by dou z by dou x means xy by 1 plus x square y square plus into next dou x by dou t means we substitute the answer. So next dou z by dou y, here dou z by, here you see that listen here, that means dou z by dou x means xy by 1 plus x square y square plus tan inverse xy into dou x by dou t means 2t plus dou z by dou y means x square by 1 plus x square into dou y by dou t means s e power t. So now you multiply the next step. Now I substitute the x equations is t square, y is s e power t. I substitute plus 1 plus x equal to t square whole square t power 4, y is s e power t. So s e power t whole square, that means s square e power 2t plus tan inverse xy, x value is, that means x value is t square, so t square, y value is s e power t, so into 2t plus next x value, x equal to t square whole square t power 4 by 1 plus x value is t square whole square t power 4, y value is s square e power 2t into s e power t. So the next step, put s equal to t equal to 1. So dou z by dou t equal to, that means I substitute, that means here I write it. So at the point I substitute s equal to t equal to 1. So e power 1 into 1 plus e square plus tan inverse e into 2 plus 1 by, that means t equal to 1. So t equal to 1 means 1 by 1 plus here t s is 1. So e square into e. So the next step I write it, that means I write I multiply the 2 in the factor. So 2e by 1 plus e square plus 2 tan inverse e plus e by 1 plus e square. So therefore dou z by dou t equal to, that means I write it 2e by 1 plus e square plus e by 1 plus e square. So 3e by 1 plus e square plus 2 tan inverse e. This is the answer for dou z by dou t at the point s equal to t equal to 1. So you see, this is 7th question. Let u of x comma y equal to e power x sin y, where x equal to st square, y equal to s square t. So st belongs to R. Find dou u by dou x, dou u by dou t, and evaluate them at s equal to t equal to 1. Here this is small t will come. So s equal to t equal to 1. So here u equal to e power x, this is e power x sin y, here sin y will come, u equal to e power x sin y. So dou u by dou x, differentiate with respect to x on both sides. So dou u by dou x equal to e power x into, definition of e power x is e power x into sin y. So x equal to s, that means st square. So dou x by dou s means here definition of s is 1, so into t square, dou x by dou t. So dou x by dou t means s into definition of t square is 2t, so 2st. So next dou u by dou y, the u functions we differentiate with respect to y. So dou u by dou y equal to, that means e power x into definition of cos y is minus, that means minus sin y. So here e power x into minus sin y will come. Dou u by dou y equal to e power x into minus sin y. Next y equal to s square t. So s square t means dou y by dou s, dou y differentiate with respect to s. So dou y by dou s means definition of s square is 2s into t, dou y by dou t. So dou y by dou t means differentiation of that with respect to t, so into s square, dou y by dou t equal to s square. Therefore dou u by dou s equal to dou u by dou x into dou x by dou s plus dou u by dou y into dou y by dou s. So dou u by dou x means e power x into, that means sin y into dou x by dou s. Dou x by dou s means t square. Next here e power x t square sin y. So next dou u by dou y means e power x cos y. Next dou y by dou s means 2st. So both the terms e power x is common, so I take e power x outside. So e power x into t square sin y plus 2st into cos y. So the next step, e power x into t square sin y plus 2st cos y means this is dou u by dou s. So next step, x value is x equal to st square. So I substitute in the power e power st square into t square sine y value is s square t. So I substitute sine into s square t plus 2 into st cos y value is s square t. So the next step, now there is, you see there is a t common, so there is a t square here, t common in the both the terms, so I take outside. So t into e power st square t into sine s square t plus 2s cos s square t. So therefore put s equal to t equal to 1. So dou u by dou s means you substitute s equal to 1, t equal to 1. So e power 1 into t equal to 1, s equal to 1 means sine 1 plus 2 into s value is 1 cos 1. Therefore dou u by dou s equal to sine 1 plus 2 into cos 1. You see dou u by dou s equal to e into sin 1 plus cos 1. Next, dou u by dou t we calculate. Dou u by dou t means dou u by dou x into dou x by dou t, dou u by dou y into dou y by dou t. Dou u by dou x means it is e power x sin y, dou x by dou t means 2st, plus dou u by dou y means e power x cos y, dou y by dou t means s square. So therefore here you see s e power x is common factor, so I take outside. So s e power x into, you write it 2t sin y plus x cos y. So I substitute s into e power x value is x term, x value is s t square, I substitute in the power, plus into 2t into sin into y equation is s square t plus s into y equation is s square t. So put s equal to t equal to 1. So I substitute here. Therefore dou u by dou t equal to, here you substitute. So s equal to 1, t equal to 1. So e power 1, 2 into sin 1 cos 1. So therefore e into 2 sin 1 plus cos 1. This is the equation for dou u by dou t. So now we discuss about the 8th problem. Let z of x comma y equal to x cube minus 3x square y square, where x equal to s into e power t, y equal to s into e power minus t, e power minus t, st belongs to R. Find dou z by dou s and dou z by dou t, not y here, dou z by dou t. So I write the given functions z of x comma y equal to, that means I write it x cube minus 3x square y cube. So dou z by dou x, differentiate with respect to x, dou z by dou x equal to 3x square minus 3 into y cube, I write it, differentiation of x square is 2x, so totally 6x y cube. Therefore dou z by dou x equal to 3x square minus 6x y cube. So next, x equal to s e power t. So from this we will calculate dou x by dou s. Dou x by dou s means we differentiate only x, s. So dou x by dou s equal to e power t. Dou x by dou t, here t will come, dou x by dou t equal to s into e power t. Next, with dou z by dou y, differentiate with respect to y on both sides. So dou z by dou y equal to, here differentiation of x cube is, that means y only, y variables only we differentiate, no y variable means its differentiation is 0. So it is the first terms are 0 minus 3x square, we differentiate only y square, so differentiation of y square is only 2y. So here y cube, not y square, here y cube, so definition of y cube is 3y square. So minus of 3x square into 3y square means 3 3s are 9, so minus 9x square y square. This is the answer for dou z by dou y. Therefore y equal to s into e power minus t. So dou y by dou s, dou y by dou s means, here we calculate the dou y by dou s means e power minus t. Dou y by dou t means minus of, that means s into definition of e power exponential is e power minus t, and the definition of power is, definition of minus t is minus 1. So dou y by dou t equal to minus s into e power minus t. This is the dou y by dou t. So now we substitute the derivative, dou z by dou s, dou z by dou s equal to, that means here z will come, dou z by dou s equal to dou z by dou x by dou s plus dou z by dou y into dou y by dou s. So dou z by dou s equal to dou z by dou x means we calculate 3x square minus 6xy cube. I substitute here into dou x by dou s. Dou x by dou s means e power t plus dou z by dou y. Dou z by dou y means minus 9x square y square into dou y by dou s. Dou y by dou s means e power minus t. So the next step, now 3 into x value I substitute, x equal to e power t. So x square means s square e power 2t minus 6 into x value is s e power t. So I substitute y value means s e power t whole cube means s cube e power minus 3t. So into e power t plus minus 9 next x value x e s e, that means minus 9 x square means s e power t whole square. So s square e power 2t. Y square means s square e power minus 2t into e power minus t. The next step, now you see here the common factor is, that means 3 is a common factor. Every term is a 3 is common. So I take the 3 in the outside. Next to s square common. So I take the s square next to e power t. So I take the 3s square e power t is common factor in the every term. So I take outside. So 3s square e power t into, I write it 3s square e power t. So the remaining terms are e power 2t, because e power 2t into e power t, e power 3t. So from the e power 3t I take only e power 2t. So remaining, that means e power t only I take. So remaining e power 2t minus 3 I take the outside, and next s square I take the outside. So and next e power t is also I take outside. So remaining factors are minus 2 into e power minus 2t s square. So next minus 3 s square e power minus 2t. So this is a dou y by, that means this is a dou z by dou x dou s. Next we calculate the dou z by dou t. Dou z by dou t means dou y by dou x by dou t plus dou y by, that means dou z by dou y by dou t. Equation is dou z by dou t means dou, that means dou z by dou x by dou t plus dou y by, that means dou z by dou y by dou t. So next dou z by dou x. Dou z by dou x means here 3x square minus 6x y cube into dou y by dou x. Dou y by dou x means we substitute here, that means dou x by dou t means the calculated dou x by dou t. Here this is the dou x by dou t, s e power t I substitute, plus dou y by, that means dou z by dou y. Dou z by dou y means this is the, that means minus 9 x square y square into next dou y by, next dou y by dou t. Dou y by dou t means minus s e power minus t. This is the equations. So see that 3s square e power 2t minus 6 into s e power t s cube e power 3t s e power t plus e power 2t e power minus 2t cancelled. So we add that e power 2t minus 2t is e power 0 is 1. So 9 s power, that is s square s power 4 s power 4 s power 5, 9 s power 5 e power minus t. So the next step 3, now I multiply the s e power t in the factor. So 3 into s cube e power 3t minus 6 into s power 5, that means we add it, that means e power 2t minus 3t means e power minus t plus 9 s power 5, that means e power minus t will come, e power minus t. Therefore 3 here 3s cube e power 3t minus 6s power 5 e power t, we add it, minus 6 plus 9 plus 3 s power 5 e power minus t. Therefore 3s cube e power 3t plus 3 into s power 5 e power minus t. This is the answer for the dou z by dou t answer. So ninth problem, w of x comma y z equal to xy plus yz plus zx comma x equal to u minus v, y equal to uv, z equal to u plus v. So uv belongs to R. Find dou w by dou u, dou w by dou v, and and I evaluate them at the point 1 by 2 comma 1. You see here w of x comma y comma z equal to xy plus yz plus zx. Here comma will come, comma x equal to u minus v, and y equation is given, z equation is given. So we calculate the dou w by dou u, dou w by dou v. So and I evaluate them 1 by 2 comma 1. So first I write the given function w equal to xy plus yz plus zx. So now dou w by dou x. So w equal to xy plus yz plus zx means dou w by dou x means we differentiate with respect to x on both sides. So dou w by dou x means here the first term xy, so I differentiate the x means 1, so into y, plus here no x term in the second term, so it is the definition is 0. Next z into definition of x is 1, so y plus z, this is dou w by dou x. Next the equation is x equal to u minus v. So u minus v means you write it, that means dou x by dou u. Dou x by dou u means 1, dou x by dou v means minus 1. Next dou w by dou x. Dou w by dou x means here, that means I substitute w equal to xy plus yz plus zx. So again we differentiate with respect to y, dou w by dou y on the both sides. So xy means x into definition of y is 1, so I write it x, plus yz means the definition of y is 1, so plus z. So third term is 0, therefore x plus z. Next y equal to uv. Y equal to uv means dou y by dou u. So here, so dou y by dou u means differentiate the u means we get the answer b. Dou y by dou v means definition of v is 1, so remaining term is u. So therefore next dou w by dou z, differentiate with respect to x z on both sides. So dou w by dou z equal to the x, there is no z in the first term, it is 0. Yz means differentiation of z is 1, so remaining terms are y, plus zx means definition of z is 1, so into plus x. Therefore we write it z equal to u plus v. Z equal to u plus v means here we calculate, that means dou x by dou u. So we calculate dou z by dou u, not x. Here z will come. Dou z by dou u means differentiation of u is 1, v is a no u term, so it is a 0, so u 1. Next dou z by dou v, definition of dou z by dou v is 1. So now we substitute, we calculate the subdivision 1, dou w by dou u. So we calculate dou w by dou u means dou w by dou x into dou x by dou u plus dou w by dou y into dou y by dou u, dou w by dou z into dou z by dou u. So you see dou w by dou x means y plus z into dou x by dou u. Dou x by dou u means 1, I substitute, plus dou w by dou y means x plus z into dou y by dou u. Dou y by dou u means b, plus next dou w by dou z means y plus x into dou z by dou u. Dou z by dou u means here 1, so I substitute. Therefore now the y equation is uv, plus z is z equal to u plus v, I substitute, plus next x is u minus v, plus z value is z equal to u plus v into v, plus y value is uv, plus x value is u minus v. So therefore that means I write it uv plus u plus v, plus next the minus v plus v cancelled. So the next step, that means I write it uv plus u into, we multiply the 2uv, so I write it 2uv. So next v cancelled, u plus u 2u, so 2u into v 2uv. So next step 2uv, here also so here minus v plus v cancelled, that means this minus v, this plus v cancelled, so again uv plus u, so totally that means uv plus 2uv plus uv, so 4uv, so 2uv plus 2uv, again u plus u 2u, so therefore 4uv plus 2u. This is the answer for dou w by dou u. Therefore dou w by dou u equal to, that means we write it 2u into 2v plus 1. So now I substitute the point at the point dou w by dou u at the point 1 by 2 comma 1. So x uv equal to 1 by 2, v equal to 1. So 2 into u value is 1 by 2, 2 into v value is 1. So 2 plus 1 3. So 2 into 2 2 cancelled, 2 plus 1 is 3. Therefore dou w by dou u at the point 1 by 2 comma 1 is 3. So next we calculate the dou w by dou v. Dou w by dou v means dou w by dou x into dou x by dou v, dou w by dou y into dou y by dou v, dou w by dou z into dou z by dou v. You see dou w by dou x. Dou w by dou x means y plus z into dou x by dou v is minus 1. Dou w by dou y means x plus z into dou y by dou v means u. Dou w by dou z means y plus x into dou z by dou v is 1. So multiply the minus 1 into y plus z is minus y minus z plus x plus z into u plus y plus x. Therefore the next step, so we substitute y, that means here minus y plus y cancelled, so the remaining minus z. Minus z means we substitute z equal to u plus v. So minus z means z equal to u plus v. So minus of u plus v, we write it minus u minus v plus x. X equal to, the x equation is u minus v. I substitute here, I substitute u minus v plus again z equal to u plus v into u plus y value, that means in the plus y minus y already cancelled, plus x. X value is u minus v. So now minus u, that means minus u minus v here, that means you see here minus v plus v cancelled, so u plus u 2u, 2u into u here. Next this minus u plus u cancelled, therefore you see that means minus 2u square, that means you write it. So you see here, that means u, that means u and u 2u into u 2u square. Next minus v minus 2v, here minus will come, minus 2v plus 2u square. So dou w by dou v into that, we take the 2 from the outside, so 2 into, I write it 2 into u square minus v. This is the equation for dou w by dou v. Therefore dou w by dou v at the point 1 by 2 comma 1 equal to, I substitute x equal to, that means u equal to 1 by 2, v equal to 1. So 2 into u value is 1 by 2 means 1 by 2 whole square minus 1. So I substitute here, that means 1 minus 4 means minus 3 by 2. So this is the answer for 2 into just doing the class multiplication. So 4 into 1, 4 into minus 1 minus 4, 1 minus 4 minus 3 by 2. So 2 into minus 3 by 2, here 2 will come. So therefore you see here, that means I just class multiply the 1 by 4 minus 1 means 4 into minus 1, so minus 4, 1 minus 4 by 4 minus 3 by 4 into 2, so minus 3 by 2. This is the answer for dou w by dou v at the point 1 by 2 comma 1. Therefore the answer is minus 3 by 2. This is the answer. So this is the answer for, that means just doing the class multiplication. 1 by 4 minus 1 means 4 into minus 1 minus 4, so 1 minus 4 by 4, so 1 minus 4 by 4 means minus 3 by 4, again into 2, so the 2 and the denominator 4 is cancelled, so the remaining answer is minus 3 by 2. Therefore dou w by dou v at the point 1 by 2 comma 1 is minus 3 by 2. This is the answer. We complete our class.